Today I wanted to show you some examples of some scapes and talk about what they are and give you some examples on how to make your own scape. This is a painting by Grant Wood, and in this scape we can see a plow, we see land, and we see a little bit of the sky back here. Scapes can include structures like bridges, trees. Oftentimes we see the sky and some combination of land. Sometimes in scapes, things will look like they're very far away, sometimes look up close. Scapes might even include buildings, so it could be a cityscape. So when you're ready to make your own scape, the first thing you want to think about is your horizon line. Where does that land end and where does the sky begin? In this picture, the horizon line is actually probably back here hidden in the trees, as we can see some of the sky through those trees. So you'll have to decide how you want your horizon line to look. I'm going to have hills, so I'm going to have wavy line. You may have hills that overlap each other. Overlapping is a way that we can make things look farther away or closer to us. Then I'm going to start making details. When I start adding my details, I need to think about which things are closest and which things are farther away. Down here in the foreground, which will be at the bottom of the page, things will look bigger, they will have more details, and they will appear as though they are closer to the viewer. The viewer is any person looking at the artwork. So I might add details like texture on the bark. I might add a few of the roots. I might add some of the leaves, knowing that I can go back in and add more details to this as well. The middle ground is the area in the middle of your artwork. Things here are going to start to look a little bit smaller, and they're going to start having a little bit less detail. And you'll notice they are placed higher on the paper. This is going to give us the idea that they are farther away from things in the foreground. And then things in the background are going to be closer to the top of the page. They're going to definitely start being smaller, and they're going to have a lot less detail. So again, overlapping can give us a sense of distance. Changing the size, so this is big, medium, small, will also give us a sense of distance. You might want to think about weather for your scape. What's going on in your sky? Are there clouds? Is it raining? Are there rainbows? What's going on the ground? What time of year is it? What season? Are there buildings? Are there people? Are there fences? Are there roads? Are there animals?